Hi everyone, welcome to glitterytales. This is Amika. I do everything about makeup, beauty and skincare. If you are new here in my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. So I created this look within 5 minutes. Yes, you heard it right, within 5 minutes. It included very interesting, amazing tricks. To know, keep watching the video till end. So without further ado, let's get started. First, moisturize your face. Though you are in a hurry, moisturizing is a must thing in makeup, cause without preparing your skin, your makeup will look cakey. Next, apply foundation, a good coverage foundation which suits your skin and your go-to foundation. Apply directly to your skin, then just simply use your hand to blend it. It will perfectly blend and it will take the minimal time. And all the makeup products I am using in the video will be mentioned in the description box. Then apply some blush to enhance the look and the cuteness. Next, time for the eye makeup. For that I am using Revolution Tropical Carnival eyeshadow palette and going to use these shades. First, take the shade named Calypso and apply on the inner corner of the eye. Tap the shadow and don't blend it too much. Next comes the most amazing trick, to use a spoon. Just close your eye first. Then hold the spoon on the eyelid like this. Then take the shade named Girlies and apply like how I am applying in the video. Take a fluffy blending brush and take the shade named Pink Panther and blend with the violet shade. Do the same on the other eye also. And just see how beautifully, easily and quick the cutcrease makeup is done. Next, applying the eyeliner. You can keep it simple. This is totally optional. But if you do or have the practice of liner application, you can do the liner in time. And then apply a coat of mascara. And your favorite go-to lipstick. And with this, your look is complete. Isn't it quick and easy? I hope you like the tutorial video. If you do, please give it a like, share and comment. And if you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell button for the further updates. And all the product I have used in the video will mention in the description box. Please check there. So see you soon with a new video like this. Till then, stay glittery. Bye bye.